Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to set up application Galaxy Wearable for a headphone Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. You have to start by opening Galaxy Wear application, click on Start, open the case and press and hold connection button until you can see that LED light is start flashing. Right here. Now click on Buds 3 Pro, Pair, Skip, Continue, Hello, 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 Next, Next, and here we go. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!